Hi guys, my name is Hugh and I'm a senior at Kahlil High School. For our NeuroMaker challenge, we were asked to help people with prosthetics. We read articles about people with amputations and articles by people with amputations themselves telling their stories. We learned about the different types of challenges that people with prosthetics face and a bit about what is being done to fix them. Still a lot to work on. A problem that people with amputations have is the prosthetics have trouble gripping tightly to objects they're holding. We all thought about different ways to solve this problem. So we decided to alter the fingertips to be able to grip objects, which solved our problems. And how is it effective? This is effective because it helps people who have prosthetic hands be able to pick up objects that they otherwise wouldn't be able to pick up with the regular plastic hands. So next I'm going to be showing an example of it without our alterations, trying to pick up a pack of Altoids. And then after that, we are going to put on the fingertips right now. And then we will try to see if it can now pick up the Altoids. And there we go. It was able to help pick up the pack of Altoids. So after this, we came up with the idea of maybe the rubber grips would help people with prosthetics be able to use phones. We were hoping that the grips would represent fingertips well enough to the point where it could use the touch of a phone and work properly. After a few tries, it didn't work, and none of us have experienced 3D modeling, so it was hard. It was hard for us to come up with a way for them to work. If we had more time and experience, we could have tried more and maybe figured out how to use our hand to work with phones.